Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey. Not bad, just got back from work.
Long day?
Yeah, it felt like it would never end. How about you?
Oh, the usual. I've been trying to juggle work and studying for that exam next week.
Ah, the exam stress. I remember those days. What's the exam about?
It's on economics. There's just so much to cover.
I can imagine. Well, if you need any help, you know I'm here, right?
Thanks, I appreciate it. Actually, speaking of help, do you mind proofreading my essay tonight?
Of course not. I'll grab a cup of coffee and we can go through it together.
Perfect, thanks a bunch. Oh, did you hear about Anna's trip to Europe?
Yeah, she's been posting pictures nonstop on social media. Looks like she's having the time of her life.
I know, right? It's making me want to plan a trip too.
Where would you go if you could?
Maybe Japan. I've always been fascinated by the culture there.
That would be amazing. Count me in if you're planning a trip.
Definitely. It's always more fun to travel with friends. Oh, by the way, have you seen the new superhero movie that just came out?
Not yet, but I've heard mixed reviews about it. Have you?
Yeah, I caught an early screening last night. It was okay, I guess. But you know me, I'm a sucker for superhero flicks.
Same here. Even if they're not great, I still enjoy them for the entertainment value.
Exactly. So, are you up for watching it this weekend?
Sure, why not? It could be a fun way to unwind after a hectic week.
Great, I'll book the tickets then. Oh, before I forget, did you ever get around to fixing that leaky faucet in your kitchen?
Not yet, I keep procrastinating. But I promise I'll get to it this weekend.
You've been saying that for weeks now.
I know. But this time I mean it.
All right, I'll hold you to it. Anyway, I should probably head home and start on that essay. Thanks again for offering to help.
No problem at all. Let's get that coffee and essay session going.
Sounds like a plan. See you in a bit.
See ya.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just working and going to the gym. How about you?
Same here. I've been trying to get in shape for the summer.
That's a good idea. Have you been going to the gym a lot?
Yeah, I've been going about 3 times a week. How about you?
I've been going about 4 times a week. I've been trying to build some muscle. That's important too. Have you been eating healthy as well? That's important too. Have you been eating healthy as well?
I've been trying to. It's hard to resist junk food sometimes.
I know what you mean. I've been trying to cook more at home to avoid eating out too much.
That's a good idea. I should try that too.
It's not always easy, but it's worth it. Have you been doing anything else to stay healthy?
I've been trying to get more sleep and drink more water.
Those are both important. I've been trying to meditate every day to reduce stress.
That's a good idea. I should try that too.
It really helps. Have you been doing anything fun lately?
Not really. I've just been working and going to the gym. How about you?
I went to a concert last weekend. It was a lot of fun.
That sounds cool. Who did you see?
I saw my favorite band. They were amazing.
Nice. I haven't been to a concert in a while.
You should go. It's a great way to relax and have fun.
I'll have to see if there are any good concerts coming up.
Definitely. Have you been watching any good movies or TV shows lately?
I've been watching this new show on Netflix. It's really good.
What's it about?
It's about a group of friends who start a business together. It's really funny. You should. Have you been reading any good books lately? You should. Have you been reading any good books lately?
I've been reading this new mystery novel. It's really gripping.
That sounds cool. I haven't read a good book in a while.
You should try it. It's a great way to relax and escape from reality for a while.
I'll have to see if I can find a good book to read.
Definitely. Have you been doing anything else to relax and have fun?
I've been trying to spend more time with my family and friends.
That's important. I've been trying to do the same thing.
It's not always easy, but it's worth it.
Definitely. Well, I should get going. It was good talking to you.
It was good talking to you too. Take care.
You too. See you later.
Bye.